we're going to be comparing two separate situations. So with variables on both sides, that means that we're going to have two situations that we're comparing. Comparing two situations. The variable has to represent the same thing on both sides. The variable represents same thing on both sides. And since we are talking about inequalities, the big question here is going to be, when will one pass the other? And does one side pass / match the other? So I don't want to know when they're equal. I want to know when does one pass the other or match it. So we're going to be dealing with less than and equal to's, more than or equal to's, less thans, and more thans. Here's our example. This is not a real world situation, just a practice for writing it. So 4 less than 3 times a number is greater than 2 times the number minus 1. So the first thing I should probably decide is, what is my unknown value? What am I trying to figure out? What the number is. So this number, I need to assign it a variable. What variable? Anybody have a preference? Okay, we'll go x. So my number is going to be x. Now I have to decode what it says and write it as an inequality. So I have 4 less than. What does that mean? So this 4 less than means minus 4. Not 4 minus. 3 times a number. What does that mean? Times. What? Say it again. What times 3? 3x. So this 3 times a number, that's my 3x, is greater than, opens to the left or opens to the right? Goes this way. Is greater than 2 times the number. What does that mean? Times? What times 2? 2x. And then minus 1, obviously, is just minus 1. Now I solve. We solve it just like an equation. So, which side would you like to keep your variable on? Left or right? Okay, so I need to get rid of this 2x. How does one get rid of a 2x? So I'm going to minus 2x from here, minus 2x from here, This is my line. So on this side, I'm left with how much? What do I have on the right side? -1. Did I multiply or divide by a negative on both sides? No. So I keep this greater than sign. And now here I've got x minus 4. What's next? What about it? Add 4. And -1 plus 4 is? Did I multiply or divide by a negative on both sides? No. So I keep this greater than sign. And over here I have x. So x is any number greater than 3. Can it be 3? No. So on a number line, what kind of dot do I put on 3? Open circle. So this is open circle. What is one number bigger than 3?
4.
And one number smaller?
2.
Is 2 bigger than 3?
No.
Is 4 bigger than 3?
Yeah.
So which side do I shade?
4.
Towards the 4. So this side works, this side does not. So you shade your line this way. That's it.